Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In this course, we'll provide you with the essential knowledge to ensure the safety of both employees and customers in vending machine operations. As a vending machine operator, you carry a significant responsibility, not only for keeping your machine stocked and functioning, but also for ensuring the safety of everyone who interacts with your equipment. Safety in vending operations is crucial, as it reduces accidents, extends the lifespan of your machines, and enhances customer satisfaction. Throughout this course, you will explore the various safety measures and best practices you need to follow. We will guide you through the proper handling of vending equipment, including how to ensure electrical safety and conduct routine maintenance. You'll also learn how to prevent common hazards, like machine malfunctions and potential injuries, to avoid costly repairs and ensure smooth operation. The course is suitable for operators at all levels of experience. Whether you're just starting out in the vending business or have been in the industry for years, this guide will help you create a safe and efficient working environment. Topics such as emergency response procedures, risk assessments, and managing hazardous materials like cleaning agents will be covered thoroughly to ensure that you're well prepared for any situation. Additionally, we will dive into practical troubleshooting techniques for minor issues you may encounter in your vending machines. You'll also gain insight into when it's necessary to call in a professional for more complex repairs. Having the right knowledge can save you both time and money while ensuring that your vending machines stay operational and safe. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear understanding of the safety protocols required to run a safe, successful vending operation. Your newfound expertise will help protect both your employees and customers, ensuring you are equipped to handle any challenges. Ready to get started? Let's dive into the first module and begin your journey to becoming a certified vending operator. Module 1. Introduction to Employee Safety in Vending Operations. Employee safety is an essential aspect of vending machine operations. As a vending operator, your role goes beyond maintaining stocked machines and ensuring their proper function. You are responsible for the safety of employees who restock, repair, and manage the machines, as well as customers who interact with the vending equipment. Vending machines, while convenient and efficient, can present various risks if not properly handled, installed, and maintained. Understanding these risks and implementing safety measures is crucial to ensuring a safe working environment and preventing accidents. In the vending industry, potential hazards can arise from various sources, including electrical malfunctions, heavy lifting, and improperly maintained equipment. For example, an improperly installed vending machine may lead to electrical shocks or malfunctions that could pose serious risks to employees. Furthermore, stock replenishment or machine repairs often involve lifting heavy loads, which, if done incorrectly, can result in injuries such as sprains or back issues. Ensuring safety begins with understanding the potential dangers and creating clear, actionable strategies to mitigate these risks. Employee safety should be a top priority from the moment a vending machine is installed to the daily operations that follow. This includes providing employees with proper training on how to handle vending machines safely, identifying hazards, and knowing what to do in case of an emergency. Having a well-defined safety plan is essential for any vending operation, as it sets clear guidelines for employees to follow in order to reduce the risk of accidents. Additionally, regular inspections and maintenance of vending machines ensure that all equipment remains in proper working condition and free of potential safety issues. Ultimately, prioritizing employee safety leads to not only a more productive and efficient workplace, but also a positive reputation for your vending business. Employees who feel safe are more likely to perform their duties effectively, contributing to the success of the business. As you continue through this course, you will learn the necessary steps to safeguard employees and maintain a safe vending operation. By understanding safety protocols, you'll be better equipped to reduce risks, prevent injuries, and create a secure environment for both employees and customers. Module 2: Understanding Vending Machine: Hazards, Risks, and Safety Concerns. Vending machines are an essential part of modern businesses, providing customers with convenient access to snacks, beverages, and other products. However, these machines can present several hazards to employees who operate, stock, and maintain them. Recognizing these risks is the first step toward implementing effective safety measures. Understanding vending machine hazards is critical in ensuring the safety of your team and customers alike. One of the most significant hazards in vending machine operations is electrical safety. Vending machines are powered by electricity, which can pose risks such as electric shocks or fires if not maintained properly. Over time, wiring can degrade and faulty connections can lead to short circuits. Regular inspections, grounding of equipment, and adhering to electrical safety guidelines are essential in reducing these risks. Additionally, machines located in high-traffic areas can be vulnerable to damage, increasing the risk of electrical hazards. Another common hazard is mechanical injury. Vending machines contain moving parts such as motors, conveyors, and delivery mechanisms. These moving parts can cause injuries if they malfunction, or if employees are not properly trained to handle them. For example, getting fingers caught in the machine during repairs or restocking can lead to cuts or more severe injuries. Proper training on how to handle these machines, along with proper protective equipment, can help minimize these risks. Lifting and carrying heavy loads also presents a significant concern. Replenishing stock or moving vending machines requires heavy lifting, which can cause back injuries or strains if not done correctly. Employees should be trained in proper lifting techniques and use equipment like dollies or forklifts to assist with moving large machines. Slips, trips, and falls are additional safety concerns, particularly in areas where vending machines are located. Spilled beverages or food items near machines can create hazardous conditions for employees and customers. Regularly cleaning the surrounding area and ensuring that machines are placed in stable positions can help mitigate these risks. By understanding the hazards associated with vending machine operations, you can implement safety measures that prevent accidents and ensure a safer work environment. Employees who are well informed about these risks will be better equipped to avoid injuries and maintain the machines properly. Through proactive risk management and safety protocols, you can maintain a secure and efficient vending operation. Module 3: Electrical Safety and Preventative Maintenance in Vending Machines. Electrical safety is one of the most critical aspects of vending machine operations. Since vending machines are powered by electricity, ensuring that they are properly installed, maintained, and inspected can significantly reduce the risk of electrical hazards. Understanding the basic principles of electrical safety and implementing preventative maintenance practices can prevent costly accidents, protect employees, and keep machines functioning smoothly. One of the most common electrical hazards in vending machines is faulty wiring. Over time, wires can become frayed, loose, or damaged, which increases the risk of electrical shocks or short circuits. Therefore, regular inspections of the wiring and internal components of the machines are essential. Employees should be trained to identify signs of electrical wear, such as exposed wires, scorch marks, or a burning smell, and to take immediate action by reporting these issues to maintenance professionals. Proper grounding is another vital safety measure. Grounding helps prevent electric shock by providing a path for excess electricity to flow safely to the ground. All vending machines must be properly grounded to ensure that any electrical malfunctions do not result in dangerous situations. When installing new machines or replacing old ones, ensure that grounding is done according to safety standards. Routine preventative maintenance can help prevent electrical issues before they become major problems. This includes cleaning internal components, checking the power supply, and ensuring that all electrical connections are secure. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate within vending machines, causing electrical components to overheat or malfunction. Regularly cleaning the machine's interior, especially around the electrical parts, can reduce the risk of fire and prolong the life of the machine. In addition, it is essential to keep up with manufacturer guidelines for maintaining vending machines. Manufacturers often provide specific instructions for electrical safety, which include recommended servicing intervals and inspection procedures. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that all components are functioning correctly and that potential electrical issues are identified and addressed early. Ultimately, prioritizing electrical safety and preventative maintenance in vending machines is key to reducing hazards and ensuring smooth operations. By implementing routine inspections, proper grounding, and cleaning practices, you can minimize the risk of electrical accidents and keep your machines running safely and efficiently. Empowering employees with the knowledge and tools to handle electrical safety will create a safer work environment and improve the reliability of your vending services. Module 4. Safe installation and setup of vending machines. Proper installation and setup of vending machines are fundamental in ensuring the safety of employees, customers, and the machines themselves. A poorly installed vending machine can pose several hazards, including electrical risks, instability, and difficulty accessing the machine for maintenance. By following proper installation procedures and safety guidelines, operators can reduce these risks and ensure that the vending machine operates efficiently and safely. The first step in safe installation is selecting an appropriate location for the vending machine. The area should be free from obstructions, ensuring that both employees and customers can easily access the machine. Moreover, it's important to place the machine on a flat and level surface to prevent it from tipping over or becoming unstable. Proper placement also helps prevent unnecessary strain when restocking or servicing the machine. Additionally, the installation site should have proper ventilation to prevent overheating and ensure that electrical components function correctly. Electrical safety is a top priority during the installation process. Vending machines should be installed by a certified electrician to ensure that all electrical connections are secure and up to code. The power supply should be adequate for the machine's requirements, and all wiring must be protected from wear and tear. Additionally, the machine should be properly grounded to prevent electrical shocks and other hazards. Once installed, the machine's power supply and electrical components should be thoroughly tested to ensure they are working correctly and safely. After installation, securing the machine to the floor or wall is essential to prevent tipping or accidental movement. This is particularly important in high traffic areas where the machine may be bumped or jostled. Using the correct mounting hardware and following manufacturer instructions for securing the machine will prevent potential accidents. Finally, once the machine is installed, regular inspections and maintenance should be conducted to ensure that the setup remains safe. This includes checking for any signs of wear and tear, ensuring the machine remains level, and verifying that all electrical components continue to function correctly. By addressing potential issues early, you can prevent larger safety hazards and ensure the ongoing safe operation of the vending machine. In conclusion, safe installation and setup of vending machines are essential for preventing accidents and ensuring smooth operations. By choosing the right location, securing electrical connections, and ensuring the machine is stable and accessible, you create a safer environment for both employees and customers. Regular inspections and adherence to safety protocols further ensure that the machine remains in optimal condition, helping your business operate safely and efficiently. Module 5. Handling and storing vending machine supplies. Safely proper handling and storage of vending machine supplies are crucial aspects of maintaining a safe and efficient vending operation. By ensuring that products, tools, and maintenance materials are stored properly, you can reduce risks such as accidents, injuries, or spoilage. Adhering to safe practices when handling supplies also ensures that employees can perform their duties efficiently while minimizing exposure to potential hazards. The first step in handling vending machine supplies safely is to ensure that all products are stored in a clean, dry, and organized manner. Food and beverage items should be placed in temperature-controlled environments to prevent spoilage or contamination. For example, perishable items like sandwiches or dairy products should be stored in refrigerated vending machines, while non-perishable snacks and drinks can be stored in dry conditions. Keeping items organized and properly rotated is also essential to avoid expired products being dispensed to customers. It's equally important to handle vending machine supplies with care during restocking or maintenance tasks. Heavy boxes or containers should be lifted using proper techniques to avoid back injuries or strains. Employees should be trained on safe lifting practices and provided with the necessary equipment such as dollies or forklifts to assist with transporting large or bulky items. Additionally, using gloves while handling supplies can help protect workers from cuts, abrasions, or exposure to chemicals that may be used in cleaning the machines. Cleaning and maintenance materials should also be stored in a safe manner. Cleaning chemicals, lubricants, and tools should be kept in designated areas that are secure and clearly labeled. These materials should be stored away from food items to avoid contamination. Furthermore, employees must be aware of the correct usage and disposal of cleaning agents to minimize exposure to harmful substances. When restocking or performing maintenance tasks, employees should also be vigilant about the condition of the vending machine. If there is any spillage or debris from the supplies, it should be cleaned up immediately to prevent slips, trips, or falls. It's important to regularly inspect the storage area for hazards such as uneven flooring, clutter, or outdated supplies that could create safety risks. In conclusion, handling and storing vending machine supplies safely is essential for the overall safety of employees and customers. By following proper storage protocols, using the correct lifting techniques, and maintaining a clean and organized workspace, you can ensure that your vending operation runs smoothly and minimizes any risks to personnel or product quality. Safety-focused practices in the handling and storage of supplies contribute to a more efficient and secure vending business. Module 6: Employee Training. Best practices for safe vending machine operations. Effective employee training is the foundation of maintaining a safe vending machine operation. Ensuring that all personnel are equipped with the knowledge and skills to perform their tasks safely can significantly reduce workplace accidents and enhance overall efficiency. Training should cover everything from the proper handling of vending machines to how to respond in emergency situations, ensuring both employees and customers remain safe at all times. The first step in employee training is educating staff about the potential hazards associated with vending machine operations. This includes electrical risks, mechanical dangers, and physical strain from lifting heavy boxes or maintaining the machines. Employees should be familiar with the safety procedures for handling equipment, such as ensuring that the machines are powered off during maintenance or restocking. Training should also emphasize the importance of maintaining a clean and hazard-free environment around the machines, which can help prevent slips, trips, and falls. In addition to safety awareness, employees should be trained on the correct use of personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, safety shoes, and protective eyewear when handling supplies or servicing the machines. This not only reduces the risk of injury, but also helps employees feel more confident in their roles. Managers should ensure that all employees are comfortable with using PPE and that they know when it's necessary to wear it. Proper lifting techniques are another essential aspect of training. Employees should be taught how to lift heavy boxes or items correctly, using their legs instead of their back to avoid strain or injury. Additionally, workers should be trained on how to use equipment such as dollies or forklifts to move large items. Training on ergonomics can further reduce the physical strain employees experience during their tasks. Another key area of training is the safe operation of vending machines. Employees must understand how the machines work, including how to load products correctly, troubleshoot common issues, and safely perform maintenance. Providing employees with hands-on training ensures that they can quickly identify problems and resolve them efficiently, minimizing downtime. In conclusion, employee training is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of vending machine operations. By providing staff with the proper knowledge, skills, and safety protocols, businesses can prevent accidents, reduce liability, and maintain a safe working environment. Ongoing training should be prioritized, with regular refresher courses and updates on new safety guidelines or equipment. A well-trained workforce contributes to the long-term success and safety of your vending operation. Module 7. Identifying and managing common vending machine malfunctions. Vending machines are complex pieces of equipment that can occasionally malfunction. Identifying and managing common malfunctions promptly is essential to keeping the operation running smoothly and ensuring a positive customer experience. Knowing how to spot problems early and effectively manage them can help prevent extensive downtime, costly repairs, and safety hazards for employees and customers alike. One of the most common vending machine issues is product jams. These occur when items become stuck in the dispensing mechanism, preventing the machine from delivering products to customers. Jams can happen for various reasons, such as improperly loaded products or worn-out delivery mechanisms. Regularly inspecting the machine and ensuring that products are loaded correctly can prevent jams from occurring. If a jam does happen, it is important to have trained employees who can quickly and safely remove the obstruction to minimize downtime. Another frequent issue is payment system malfunctions. Vending machines that accept cash, cards, or mobile payments can encounter problems such as coin jams, card reader failures, or software glitches. Employees should be trained to troubleshoot these issues, such as by clearing coin jams or checking the machine's connection to the payment system. When payment issues persist, it may be necessary to contact a technician for a more in-depth solution. Temperature control problems are also common, particularly in machines that dispense perishable items. If the refrigeration system fails, food and drinks can spoil, potentially harming customers and leading to product waste. Routine checks of the temperature settings and refrigeration systems should be part of regular maintenance. If temperature issues arise, the machine should be taken out of service immediately to prevent any unsafe product from being dispensed. Mechanical failures in the motor, conveyor belt, or dispensing unit can also occur, causing the machine to stop working altogether. These issues may require professional repair, but regular maintenance and inspections can catch these problems before they escalate. Training employees to recognize early warning signs, such as unusual noises or inconsistent product delivery, can help identify malfunctions before they become more serious. In conclusion, understanding and managing common vending machine malfunctions is critical to maintaining a safe, functional, and customer-friendly environment. By training employees to identify issues quickly, performing regular maintenance, and knowing when to call in a technician, vending operations can run smoothly. Proper management of malfunctions not only minimizes downtime, but also improves customer satisfaction and reduces repair costs in the long run. Module 8. Emergency Response Procedures for Vending Machine. Accidents involving vending machines can happen, and being prepared to respond quickly and effectively can minimize the risk of injury, reduce damage, and ensure the safety of both employees and customers. Having a clear set of emergency response procedures in place is crucial for handling any accidents or incidents that may arise in vending machine operations. The first step in an emergency situation is to ensure the safety of everyone involved. If an accident occurs, the immediate priority should be to remove any hazards or risks, such as electrical issues, sharp objects, or unstable machinery. Employees should be trained to quickly assess the situation and determine whether it is safe to approach the vending machine or if evacuation or a larger emergency response is needed. In cases of electrical malfunctions or fires, employees should know to turn off the power supply and evacuate the area. Next, it's important to notify the appropriate authorities. This could include local emergency services, facility managers, or maintenance staff. Employees should be trained on how to contact emergency services if necessary, providing clear information about the nature of the incident and the location of the machine. Having a communication plan in place, including designated contacts for emergencies, is essential for minimizing response time. In some cases, employees may need to provide first aid to injured individuals. Therefore, basic first aid training should be a requirement for all staff working with vending machines. In situations involving minor injuries, such as cuts or bruises, employees should be able to administer basic first aid. For more serious injuries, employees must be trained to call emergency services immediately and avoid trying to handle serious medical situations on their own. After the emergency has been managed, an investigation into the cause of the accident should take place. Understanding what went wrong will help prevent future incidents and improve safety protocols. Regularly reviewing safety procedures and accident reports can identify common risks and areas for improvement, ensuring that employees are always prepared for emergencies. In conclusion, having clear and effective emergency response procedures for vending machine accidents is critical for ensuring safety in the workplace. By training employees to respond quickly and efficiently, maintaining open communication, and continuously improving safety measures, businesses can mitigate the risks associated with vending machines and create a safer environment for everyone. Understanding what went wrong will help prevent future incidents and improve safety protocols. Regularly reviewing safety procedures and accident reports can identify common risks and areas for improvement, ensuring that employees are always prepared for emergencies. In conclusion, having clear and effective emergency response procedures for vending machine accidents is critical for ensuring safety in the workplace. By training employees to respond quickly and efficiently, maintaining open communication, and continuously improving safety measures, businesses can mitigate the risks associated with vending machines and create a safer environment for everyone. Module 9: Compliance with Health and Safety. Regulations in vending operations. Ensuring compliance with health and safety regulations is a crucial aspect of vending machine operations. Vending businesses must follow specific guidelines to ensure the safety of both employees and customers. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to legal consequences, fines, and reputational damage. Therefore, understanding and adhering to health and safety standards is essential for the success of vending operations. The first step in compliance is ensuring that vending machines meet local and national safety standards. This includes making sure that the machines are properly installed, maintained, and inspected regularly to ensure they are functioning safely. Vending machines must meet specific electrical safety standards to prevent hazards like electrical shocks or fires. Regular maintenance should include checking wiring, cooling systems, and payment mechanisms to ensure they are in good working order. Another important aspect of compliance is the safety of the products being dispensed. Vending machines that offer food and beverages must adhere to food safety regulations, ensuring that items are stored at the correct temperature and that perishable products are safe for consumption. This includes monitoring the refrigeration systems and making sure that products are not expired or contaminated. Regular checks should be carried out to prevent the sale of spoiled or unsafe food and drink. vending operations also need to consider the physical safety of the environment around the machines. This includes ensuring that vending machines are securely installed and not at risk of tipping over, especially in high traffic areas. Machines should be positioned away from walkways and in locations where they won't pose a tripping hazard. Employees should be trained to identify any potential safety hazards related to the machine's placement and take corrective action when necessary. In addition, vending businesses must comply with specific labor laws regarding employee safety. Employees handling vending machines should be provided with the proper training and protective equipment to avoid injuries. This includes understanding how to safely load and restock machines, handle electrical components, and address malfunctions. Regular health and safety training should be provided to all staff involved in vending operations. In conclusion, compliance with health and safety regulations in vending operations is not just a legal obligation, but also a key part of maintaining a safe, efficient, and trustworthy business. By ensuring that machines are installed and maintained correctly, products are safe for consumption, and employees are trained to handle hazards. Vending businesses can protect their customers, staff, and reputation while operating within the law. Module 10. Creating a safety plan for vending machine. Maintenance and restocking. Creating a safety plan for vending machine maintenance and restocking is essential to ensure a safe working environment for employees. These tasks, though routine, can present various risks, including electrical hazards, physical injuries, and accidents from malfunctioning equipment. A well-structured safety plan helps mitigate these risks and ensures that staff can perform their duties without unnecessary danger. The first step in creating a safety plan is identifying the potential hazards associated with maintenance and restocking activities. These hazards may include electrical shock when handling power sources, lifting injuries from heavy machine parts, and cuts or abrasions from sharp components inside the machine. Identifying these risks allows you to implement specific safety protocols for each situation. For instance, workers should always disconnect power to the vending machine before performing maintenance to avoid electrical shock. Additionally, employees should be provided with appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, safety shoes, and protective eyewear to minimize the risk of injury during restocking and repairs. A key element of the safety plan is clear procedural guidelines. These guidelines should outline the steps employees need to follow when maintaining or restocking vending machines. This includes ensuring that employees follow safe lifting practices, use proper tools for the job, and avoid reaching into machines with moving parts or motors unless the power is turned off. Regular training should be conducted to ensure that all employees are familiar with the procedures and are aware of the importance of following them consistently. Moreover, the safety plan should address emergency protocols for handling accidents. This includes providing employees with the training to respond to common injuries, such as cuts or burns, and knowing when to call for additional medical assistance. In the event of an electrical issue or fire, workers should be trained in how to safely disconnect power and evacuate the area if necessary. Finally, regular review and updating of the safety plan are essential. As vending machines evolve and new models with advanced features are introduced, the potential hazards may change. Keeping the safety plan current ensures that employees are always prepared and aware of new risks associated with the equipment. In conclusion, creating and maintaining a safety plan for vending machine maintenance and restocking is crucial for the well-being of employees and the smooth operation of the business. By identifying risks, establishing clear procedures, providing proper training, and ensuring regular updates, you can create a safe work environment that minimizes accidents and boosts efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, employee safety in vending machine operations is a critical component that must be prioritized to ensure a productive and secure working environment. Throughout this course, we have explored the various hazards associated with vending machine operations and provided key strategies for mitigating these risks. Understanding the importance of electrical safety, proper installation, and handling procedures is essential for preventing accidents that could lead to injuries or equipment malfunctions. Training employees is one of the most effective ways to promote safety and reduce the likelihood of accidents. Equipping staff with the right knowledge and tools not only protects them, but also fosters a safer environment for customers and other stakeholders. Furthermore, creating a comprehensive safety plan that includes preventive maintenance, emergency response procedures, and compliance with health and safety regulations will significantly enhance overall safety within your organization. By establishing clear safety protocols for tasks like maintenance, restocking, and handling supplies, businesses can minimize the potential for workplace accidents. Regular inspections, equipment checks, and adherence to safety standards ensure that vending machines are safe to use, promoting long-term operational success. Additionally, staying compliant with health and safety regulations, including food safety and electrical standards, is key to maintaining the integrity of your vending services. Ultimately, creating a culture of safety in vending machine operations is essential not just for employee protection, but for the overall success and reputation of the business. As you move forward, remember that safety should always be integrated into the daily routine of vending machine operations. By taking the necessary precautions, you will not only safeguard your workforce, but also contribute to the growth and sustainability of your business. Consistently following best practices for safety ensures the longevity of your operations, reducing costly accidents and boosting employee morale.